Hey y'all. So I actually went outside to do my walk in my swimsuit. I could say like immediately when I began, it was really, really cold and I felt like giving up immediately, but then I just pushed myself to say no, keep going, you can do this. And eventually I didn't feel cold anymore. And so yeah, here's my talk.
Swimsuit on with my swim shoes on. Bella is in the back. So keep up, Bella. So yeah. I'm just gonna do a quarter of a mile and then go back inside. I did a quarter of a mile last night, but I did have clothes on. So today I just have my swimsuit on. So yeah. I feel fine. Actually, I feel fine. After a while, you kind of you adapt to it, you know? And I do think that the most important thing is to just breathe. So, yeah. Look, the beautiful snow. The beautiful snow. It's like inches. I think we got like 8 inches. So, it's a lot of snow. This is a football field. So, yeah. I'm happy.